I've gotten a ton of requests for a template download for the helmet dome that I used in my previous video, the Among Us costume. And admittedly, I did kind of gloss over the whole construction of the template part of the video, so I decided to make it available in my Etsy store. Link is in the description down below. I had meant to do this a long time ago with this template because I do use it for all of my helmets, but I only recently fixed my scanner. Pretty much everything from the Knights of Ren on. Although I would have loved to have had this available to me when I first started EVA foam prop making, because it took legitimately 5 attempts of trial and error before I had refined the template enough to look good. But every helmet since then, I've never had to change this dome template, so you guys don't have to deal with that. Scaled to A4. I did a test print and it came out identical to the original. So you just load some cardstock into your printer. You could even use paper, but you'll have to be very careful about how you trace that. You print it out, you cut it out, it prints to scale, and then you line up the two pieces so that the railroad crossing sign, I didn't even plan that, lines up. Then you tape it together and you're golden. Then you trace it on the foam. Obviously you want to chop out those registration marks. I left those as Sharpie just so they would show up on the scan. Once you have the right side, you flip it, trace it again, and you're good. You got a helmet template. And then you can make your dome. Several people have already bought it. If it does really well, then I'll work on converting templates from my other props. All right, now I gotta get back to the alien. Oh, I've been getting requests for the Xenomorph templates since I posted that video. And it's not done. I hear you, but it's not done. Wait till I finish the tail. You'll have them when I have them. All right, thanks for watching. And if you're somehow seeing this video first, I have a tutorial out for the Among Us Spaceman. Or Lego Spaceman, I'm being told. Which, yeah, all right, I see it.